Drupal blocks in any theme region can receive their own template, which would be used over a standard block template. For example, the right sidebar blocks could have a different heading tag over any of the other blocks that appear in other regions. In this video, I will create a block template that will only affect the blocks that appear in a single region. In this case, we will be modifying blocks in the right sidebar. So to figure out what the naming convention will be for this special block template that affects only the right sidebar region, we'll turn on our theme developer module. If you don't have this module enabled, be sure to turn it on inside your Drupal administration modules page. Since I have my theme developer module already enabled, I'm just going to turn it on by clicking Themer Info. We see this dialog come up, and now I'm going to click right on one of the blocks that appear in the right sidebar region. So now I'm going to look at the candidate template files listed in the theme developer module window. We're going to look for the block template that is named after the region, in this case, region right. So we see that there is a template that it recommends called block-right.tpl.php. This is the file we're going to want to create from our standard block template. So let's go ahead and minimize our browser, and let's look at our theme folder, Hansel and Petal, that's inside Sites, All Themes. And we're going to copy the standard block template and paste this copy to rename this block-right.tpl.php. Now that we have our file, let's edit it in our text editor. So now let's scroll down and let's edit the heading tag used for the right sidebar blocks. Instead of an H2 tag, I'm choosing to use an H3 tag. I'm going to minimize Dreamweaver. I'm going to go back to Drupal and go into the Themes Administration page and click Refresh. This refresh now updates the internal theme cache in Drupal and lets Drupal go through our theme folder to find the new template. Let's go back to the Sunflowers page and click Refresh. Now we didn't notice a difference, but if we actually inspect this tag, we can see we're now using an H3 tag instead of the H2 tag for all the other standard blocks. The reason why we didn't see the styles change is because the style sheet actually has styles declared for H2, H3, and H4 tags. So all of those would have worked. If I look at the second block in the sidebar region, we can also confirm that this block, which comes from a totally different core module, has the same heading tag because it lies in the same region as the search block. All the blocks that we would then put inside the right sidebar are going to get this new H3 tag for their title. Again, if CSS alone cannot accomplish your customization to a block or set of blocks, then creating these additional block templates makes sense.